Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to change the cabin air filter. This is the one I went with, the male. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but either way, male. Give it a whirl. It's a carbon air filter. Got it from ECS Tuning. Price is pretty fair, around 23 bucks. I could link it in the description. I'll show you more or less how to get it installed. It's pretty easy. A couple tabs up here. You're going to twist off. One right here, and there's another one over there, and then we're going to need I believe a T20. I'll verify that once I get in there. So I'm going to pull this off, see if I can do it on camera. A little tight. There we go. And twist counterclockwise. The other one is, where is it? In here. Right there. Bear with me. Right there. Counterclockwise. And it's going to bring this panel down. Zoom out once you twist those. You can pull it forward a little bit. You also have a harness where the light is. You're going to have to unplug this right here. That way you don't yank the wires out or anything like that. And do this all on camera to show you and make sure. I think you could pull the whole light out, or is it just the harness? I forget. I've pulled this out once before to do my dash cam, but bear with me. You could just pull the harness straight out, like so. There's no buttons on this one. You're just going to wiggle it out, pull out, and there's a routing for the plug back here. That's going to come right out. You want to make sure you get it off of here. That comes off, and you're going to pull this piece up and out of your way. This is where your light is. Now the cabin air filter is going to be, let me see if I can get some light under here for you guys. Give me a second. Okay. So coming from in here, it is a T20. I confirmed it. You're going to have a bolt right here. That's closest to the driver's side. And the other one is going to be back here, right there, which is on the right side, closer to the passenger side. So just those two, loosen them up, and then you're going to pull this piece this direction. So this is the passenger side, the one on the right. Loosen it most of the way. Do the rest by hand if I could. Yep. And then the one over here, closer to the driver's side. Hopefully you can see it. Do it by hand. Okay, so there's a tab here. You're going to push inward and pull down. This is going toward the driver's side. Push in, pull down, and there's another tab on the other side. Right here. You're going to push in. Might not be able to do this one on camera because I'm at an awkward angle. I'm trying to hold the phone and record, but you're going to push this one in and pull down as well. I'm going to get that off. That way, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the top of the clip looks like. By pushing this in, you're actually pulling that out. So you could actually pull this off to the side a little bit. This is the passenger side one. And then you're going to pull this down and off to the side, and the filter just drops right down. Mine's dirty. Look at all the stuff that fell out. So I'm way overdue. I bought the car a couple years ago. I'm not sure if it's ever been changed, but definitely time. You're going to pull this straight down, get this off to the side. The clearance tube stays in. And we're going to pull this out. Yeah, that thing is nasty. So this is the factory one. This one's the aftermarket. Goes in the same way it came out. Cut end toward the driver's side. I'm going to slide this up and then we'll put it back together. I'm going to let you guys know how well this one fits. It's supposed to fit like factory. It's a fraction of the cost. I believe the factory one's like $100, $109. So for like $25 you can get this one. It's carbon as well. I mean, I'm not sure how much better this filter is going to work, but you know, we'll see. Time will tell. But let's get this bad boy in and wrap it up. The new one fits just fine. There it is, sitting in completely flush. So fit so far is perfect, no complaints. Just got to put the cover back on. Sorry, hard to film while I'm laying on my back. But the cover goes on here and here. Hopefully you're getting everything. That's clicked in. That's clicked in. So let's put the screws back in and we're good to go. But everything fits beautifully. So nice, easy, cheap fix for smelly air if you're getting odors or just to keep up with your maintenance. Okay, we're all buttoned up. Everything went back together beautifully. Now I got to clean my rugs because this is what came out of my filter. Absolutely disgusting. And this is for the male cabin air filter. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll always be more than happy to answer. More things coming, more maintenance coming. Back on factory wheels for now. Super wheels are sold, no longer have them. So I'm going to decide which direction I'm going to take the car. But we're pretty much all winterized, just did an oil change. Car's all ceramic coated, looking beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.